Hello everyone, Charles Boone here, Prosper Trading, bringing you your market commentary. And today, ladies and gentlemen, my focus is now turning on what I feel is a very undervalued sector, and that's the fins or the financials. Now, JP Morgan was down early, rallied, just like Citibank. Goldman Sachs is up. Bank of America's up. And here's the thing, these stocks are now starting to rally in conjunction, okay, with the overall market and market trend. And this is important because it wasn't like that. There's some deviations, and more than anything, the financials plus tech really helped drive these markets down. We're starting to see the quintessential higher highs and higher lows, and the case in point, the top of the channel starting to lift. Now, here's the things that I want to point out. Your 50-day moving average in JP Morgan is right here, okay? It's right around that 104 mark, and then the 100-day moving average is at 108 with the 200 at 109. If it happens to get above this level, meaning that 50-day moving average, that orange line, the laws of attraction should pull it back towards this range. And God willing, maybe back to this quote-unquote double top that we saw here at that 113. So we'll have to wait and see. Obviously, there's a lot to digest with these overall markets. It's funny, the earnings has been mixed on these names, but again, we're seeing big buy volume coming in, and it's really seeing an expansion on trading ranges and trading activity and interest. And when I see a lot of green bars collectively coming in, it's telling me that after all this heavy duty selling, shorts are covering and there's renewed interest in these names. So keep an eye on JP Morgan, Citibank. I would say that the low here at 98.60 is going to be an absolute level on the downside of interest. There may be a bounce at this gap fill down here, but ultimately I feel that if it takes out this particular price level that I have highlighted just now, it's going to be a terrible sign for these names. If they stay above these levels, expect the positive to continue and expect the upside play in the banks. All right, I do want to mention the stock and stock options trading does involve a substantial degree of risk. It may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Keep an eye on the financials, a very undervalued sector. Take care and have a wonderful day.